but I'm curious about, for the families that you help that come from, lender partners, do you know how many of them get to a point where they actually have a fair shot? This is somebody that you've actually started working with, right? For this kind of audience, what percentage of those do you think actually have a fair shot of being able to get an offer accepted, credit-wise? Obviously, money saved is a different beast, right? But
yeah, so I'm going to try to answer your question, and if I don't, just tell me. We are looking at every file that we take on and asking both the lender and the client, what is your goal? So we're understanding 640, FHA, these these collections or whatever, under 2,000 total. So we're understanding like what it takes to get to the finish line. And we are just super honest with clients right up front on whether or not that can be accomplished, right? So if we take a client on, we're certain that as long as they follow our plan, they will qualify for a home loan as it comes to credit, right? Like the part that we can control. Otherwise, we would just give them the longer timeline. We would say, look, because of these factors, you're looking at 12 months. But basically the way we operate right now is it's all, yes, you can qualify. Here's the soonest it could possibly be and how to make that as quick as possible. I'm not trying to not answer your question either. Like, I don't have a stat ready for you other than to say that, like, we really don't take people on that don't actually need or benefit from our services. Meaning, like, if they're too far gone, we would point them in the direction of like a consultation with a bankruptcy attorney. Or if they didn't need our services at all, we would just give them the advice that they need and tell them exactly what to do without enrolling them.
That's interesting. That makes sense. So, I mean, as long as you guys are deciding to do business with them, that you've almost kind of on a handshake agreed, okay, I see the target and I think we can hit the target. So from a percentage that actually get to the point of being in that window, you're only doing business with people you think you got a damn good shot with anyways, right? So it's a high percentage, it sounds like.
Yeah, exactly. Because you got to keep in mind, like, even if we weren't like good people, which I truly believe we are, we do everything from like a good place. We want great things for our clients, right? But just with our business model, I mean, we are accountable to our lender partners. So there's zero chance that we would be where we are, I guess you could say, without having performed for our lender partner. So on every single file, we have a borrower who really wants better credit as quickly as possible, typically by doing as little as possible.